1. Mark Twain was born when Halley's Comet was visible in the sky, and he predicted that he would die with the comet's return, which is exactly what happened in 1910. This strange coincidence has fascinated people for years, and it's still considered one of the most bizarre in history. Twain's prediction was not just a joke, but a prophetic statement that came true in a very unexpected way. 2. The sinking of the Titanic and the novel Futility by Morgan Robertson are connected by a series of eerie coincidences. Robertson's novel, written 14 years before the Titanic sank, told the story of a massive ocean liner that sank in the North Atlantic after colliding with an iceberg, killing thousands of people. The similarities between the novel and the real event are too striking to be just a coincidence. 3. Abraham Lincoln and John F. Kennedy, two of America's most famous presidents, shared some bizarre similarities in their lives and deaths. Both were succeeded by vice presidents named Johnson, and both had a vice president who was a senator before taking office. These strange parallels have been the subject of much speculation and debate over the years. 4. The story of Julienne Coep, a Peruvian woman who survived a plane crash in the Peruvian jungle in 1971, is a remarkable example of strange coincidence. Coep fell 2,000 feet into the jungle still strapped to her seat, and she was the only survivor of the crash. Her story is even more incredible because she was just 17 years old at the time, and she managed to survive for 11 days in the jungle before being rescued. 5. The twin brothers Jim Lewis and Jim Springer were separated at birth and reunited 39 years later, only to discover that they had lived eerily similar lives. Both brothers had married women named Linda, had sons named James, and had worked as part-time mechanics. This incredible coincidence has been studied by scientists and psychologists, who are still trying to understand the reasons behind such an extraordinary similarity in their lives.